Do you need to open the YouTube Studio desktop version on your iPhone or your Android device, but it keeps redirecting you to the official application? I'm going to show you a simple trick on how you can open the full desktop version of the YouTube Studio website right on your mobile phone. So make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button to help out the channel. Thanks everyone. So the first step is to open any web browser on your phone. Maybe that's Google Chrome if you're on Android, or Safari in my case if you're an iPhone user. It really doesn't matter. Open your web browser, and then you'll type studio.youtube.com in your URL bar. Since I already have the official YouTube app installed on my device, it's going to ask me if I want to open that application, but the mobile app has limited functionality on our mobile phone. And that's the reason why we want to open the full desktop version of the site on our mobile phone. So I'll tap this Continue to Studio option, which is going to open a page that looks something like this. One last step that you want to do is to tap on the little square icon at the left side and locate the Request Desktop Website option and wait a second or two. You will now be able to access all of the advanced features and customize your YouTube channel like you would do on your desktop, PC, or laptop. If you found this video useful, then leave a like or comment on this video, and I will see you in the next one.